Thistle breath and twilight skin, a more of murmurs tucked within. Painted wind on granite bone, the hills reciting